So as you can see, we've made it here to Knottsberry Farm after spending a week at Magic Mountain. I'm going to ride the coasters here, such as Silver Bullet, Ghost Rider, Hang Time, Accelerator. Check out all of these ones and hopefully I'll find the entrance. I'm just going to follow the crowd of people, see where it takes me, and yeah, have an awesome time. So I think I'm now leaving the Wild West sort of sector of the park, and I've just noticed Accelerator going around. Now that was down earlier apparently, and as a launch coaster they are very temperamental. Here we go, I'm going to ride North America's fastest accelerating coaster, 0 to 80 in 2 seconds or something. Oh man. Oh yeah, so that's Accelerator here at Knottsberry Farm. Check it out. I'm going to get in the queue now, ride that before it inevitably breaks down again, and yeah, see you on the other side. So I must admit, despite doing the world's tallest coaster, King Dakar, you know, despite doing all of these other ones out here on the Golden Coast, I'm still a little bit scared because I don't like launches, but I'm doing this for you guys, so in case you can't be here with me, I'll do it for you in spirit. Look how close you get to the track there. God. That's awesome.
All you got is you. That'll be the day. What do you do? Well, you know you love me, baby.
Woo! Accelerator, more like Exhilarator. Holy heck! So apparently that's the fastest accelerating coaster in North America. God, I think it's 0 to 82, the guy said, in 2 seconds. Wow. So anyway, yeah, really good ride. I like that, but it's the perseverance, you know, overcoming the fear, man. It's crazy. Check it out, Accelerator at Knottsberry Farm. So I've just come off of Hang Time there. It's a really good ride. Apparently it's the first and only dive coaster here in California, which is interesting. As you can see, I've got some peach rings here. I was thinking I might try some of the cuisine here because native to the area is the Boysenberry, and apparently there's Boysenberry for everything. There's churros, there's pies, there's cotton candy. So yeah, maybe I'll try some Boysenberry, I think. Express. I'm probably going to go on that in a little bit. I'm going to find some food first and yeah, try out some of the local cuisine here at Knottsberry Farm. I have absolutely no idea what's in the building here, but I'm going to go in, check it out, and see what I can find. Let's go. Wow. That's crazy. They've got knives in there, they've got broadswords, everything you can imagine. Holy heck. Wow. I'm going to go to the front of the park now and see what I can find. I'm going to look for a map and a menu, see if there's any big coasters that I've missed. One ride that surprised me so far was the Calico Mine Company. It's like a little interactive train thing that takes you through this massive underground labyrinth. It's so good. Just as good as the music here, look, a little bit of bluegrass. Wow, this place is great. See, this is what Frontier Town should aspire to be at Cedar Point. Check this out. Just look at it, it's so like the real thing, you know? I feel like I'm back in the past. So I've just done a loop of the entire park so far. It's really, really nice here. I might go back on Ghost Rider in a little bit, but I'm going to get some food first. But this is amazing. What a nice little park. Now, I know I've spent the last week at Magic Mountain, but even so, I don't feel like I'm missing out by being here, because there's less rides for sure. But there's some good rides at that. You know, they don't lack in quality, so... Awesome. Just coming up now past the Wagon Camp Stunt Show. Sounds pretty intense. Maybe I'll check it out, who knows. So that pretty much wraps up my day here at Knott's Berry Farm. The park is open for another 6 hours. I'm going to enjoy some night rides on the likes of Accelerator and Ghost Rider, and perhaps another re-ride on Hang Time. It's an okay ride. Thanks for like, comment and subscribing, and I will see you in the next episode.